Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. Here we are building our marble run. This is so much fun. Really fun. I love it. Look how fast me and Daddy is building it. Say something, Abigail. Is that it? You have to be over 3 to play with this game. It has small parts on it. Abigail cannot get it anymore. It's really fun, so much fun. I can't wait to play with it again. If you don't have a marble run, you can just watch and play along. It only takes a few minutes to set up. I'm building a track, and Daddy is building a track always of marble run. Always, 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 always. Let's build. Start it. Yeah, let's build. Please subscribe to my channel. You can check out whatever you want and just go on our YouTube channel and do it. Bye. Doing good, everyone. You know to buy a package of marbles and then you can do that with it. We're going to play Marble Run. It's on my hands, and I have it all up sitting on the table. I have marbles. I have Marble Run over there next to you. So let's do it. Hi, everyone and friends and kids. How are you doing? I watched all of your videos at the old home, and now I'm done with videos. Now I'm watching Paw Patrol for Being Good Days. Let's play the marble run now. Even if you put a lot in it, it gets stuck with the marbles. There's a lot of places to do it on the marble run. Like here. Does that look good? Looks good because it has another thing on it where it does that. So let's play it again. This one was out, so let's put another one in. Focusing. Last thing is slow motion and fast mo. Let's do it again. Close, 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 close. Other part of it. You already got 3 in there. Gotta take these ones out. The map says take them out, so we can start it again. Ready to do it again? Fast mo and slow mo. Let's do it. How do you get it to the round thing? Let me see. I do. There you go, that's how you get it on there. Let's get on the other one. Ready to do it? Nice one. Quiet, there's another one coming up. So, ready for the path? Follow the marbles. Stuck it out. Follow that one. Follow it. There you go. Follow the next path. Next level was pretty good. Ooh, that one is so fast and so slow. Let's try another one. Try it. Well, next marble. This one has never tried it before. This one has to try it. Same way. Let's film it. Follow the same path to the bottom of it. Yeah. Woohoo! Oh, get it? Let's try another one on there to push it. I'm not sure which one. No, that isn't the one. Let's try to push it that way. No, that isn't the right one to push it. I bet this one can push it. Oh, it's the wrong way. It was the same way. Oh, let's try it last. This one. If that can push it, can push it. Yeah, it's going to push it. It's going to push it. Oh, it's stuck. Try it again. Oh, stuck. I did them all the same so I can did it really fast. Can you hold these, please? Can't hold them. My hand is too small for them. I think it's good because it's a sunny day out here and I like it so much. I think Marble Run is good. I like it. It's good. I love it.
Do you love running marbles through it?
Yeah, I love dominoes too.
Yeah?
Yeah, I actually built it for days, but I don't know. I need your help to build it. But I tried to do it one day, and I went the car through them, and it knocked over. We'll have to do it again.
So you like Marble Run?
Yeah.
And would you recommend it to more kids to buy it and get it?
Yeah, for their birthday and for their Christmas.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, Christmas and birthday is fun, but I promise kids have to buy dominoes too, just like me. And everything that they have, I need them to buy them. I need kids to buy the same thing 2 times so they can play every day. There's a lot of kids, but I need it more. See? It's fun. Really fun. See? What? It's fun.
Would you recommend other kids to play with marble?
Yes. Even dominoes too. It's right. I like dominoes and Marble Run too. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.